Hi, my name is Kariwaltz. I share tips, tools, and techniques for the artist in you on my channel, and today's focus is watercolor. 2022 Watercolor Live is at the end of January, and I participated in that last year and had so much fun and learned a lot that I was focusing on getting ready for 2022. One of the sponsors for the Watercolor Live is Multimedia Artboard, and they recently have two products that I want to share with you. One of them is their new watercolor board, which combines Arch's 140-pound watercolor paper to a firm surface. This is it. It's 3/16 of an inch wide, and the 140-pound Arch's watercolor paper is securely glued because I tested that. I actually did a review when I first got the paper, and if you want to see the full review, you can look at the post up here. And I was rather brutal with the product because I wanted to see how sturdy it was. I wanted to see if the glue would hold. This is one of the first things I did. I flooded the paper and in multiple layers. I even pushed on it and pulled on the edges to see if it would come off, and it didn't. And I also tested to see how it would do if it was taped. So I taped around the image, painted this, and wasn't careful when I pulled it off. Came right off, no damage. I am a fan. So I don't have to stretch paper anymore. I can just pull it out of my bag. I can put it on an easel. I can hold it in my hand. Now, if you put it on an easel, I would probably use tape or attach it to another surface so that your board doesn't get marred. But all in all, I am very, very pleased. The watercolor that I usually use on my larger works, well, this was a sample from last year. Y'all recognize that? It warped a little bit. That was 140-pound watercolor, but I didn't flood the paper as much as I did with the other things. And this was one from last year that was on the Multimedia Artboard, the original. So you have a couple of choices there. But the other products that I wanted to tell you about is their new brush line. It's Calia Multimedia, or Mixed Media actually, Calia Mixed Media brushes. I'll put a picture up here. And they are Synthetic Sable. I just played with them today for the first time, so I don't have a full review on that, but I was very happy with the flow of water and how it retained its shape. I will continue to play with these brushes and paint with them and do a more thorough review later, but I do want you to check it out because these are so affordable. Anyway, hope you enjoy today and have a wonderful time learning and checking out these new products.